to my channel. So I am super excited about this video because if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen me be a part of Avon's nude lip campaign, and it was super exciting. I will insert pictures now for you, but I absolutely loved it. You guys know a nude lip is just my jam. I just love the whole vibe and I had to jump on board with this. I loved that it was also inclusive and there was just something for everyone. So yeah, it was amazing. But yeah, aside from that, you actually are able to order this Letterbox Looks by Avon. So you get this cute little box in the post. You don't have to wait for your delivery man to come to your door. You don't have to sign for anything, nothing. It's literally, this will fit through your letterbox. So I've got the Letterbox Look that is perfect for the nude lipstick for me. So you'll get a whole range of products in the box that is suitable for you and the nude lipstick that you have chosen. So you would have seen on Instagram that my perfect nude shade is the shade called Marvellous Mocha. I'm Anchal and Marvellous Mocha is my perfect nude, which is this one right here, and it's so beautiful. So for this video, I think I'm actually gonna start with the lip, just because I wanna show you what this lipstick looks like on first, and then you can kind of get an idea of the whole nude vibe that I'm going for. So in the box, you actually get 5 full-sized products, and not only with the lipstick, you're gonna get a lip liner that's gonna complement it perfectly. So the lip liner that I've got is called Simply Spice. I'm going to line my lips first with this lip liner, which is so creamy and it just glides on, and the shade of this is absolutely perfect. I love that it's a twist up pencil, so you don't even need a sharpener. And then I'm going to get the lipstick on in the shade Marvellous Mocha. Now the lipstick is actually 100% matte, but it's not drying at all. It's really, really comfortable and actually quite hydrating at the same time. This lipstick and lip liner combination is so perfect, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna move on to the eyes now, and you get a quad of eyeshadows. So really gorgeous colors in here. You've got a bit of like a khaki gold in there, a really nice bronzy gold, a light shimmery color, and then a dark brown. So it's really wearable and very, very versatile. I'm gonna take the shade 4 right here, and I'm just gonna take this on the outer corner of my eye and through the crease, just because it's gonna help me get definition. And these shadows are really nice and buildable, and they blend beautifully as well. And I'm also just going to take that shade along my lower lash line, kind of like the outer edge of my lower lash line. Already I'm loving how it looks. Like, you could totally just leave it here for a nude neutral look. And then I'm going to go into shade number 2, which is this one right here. I want to pick up that nice bronzy gold, and I'm just going to press this over my lid. And I love that this whole letterbox look just makes it really, really easy for you to create a nice look. Like, you don't have to think too much about, oh my god, what will I do? What will go with what? Like, everything just works together. And what's even better is that the whole letterbox look with 5 full-size products is £18. What? And I'm not going to mention any names with any brands, but there are some brands that have a lipstick that is just £18, and you're getting all of that for £18, like a full eyeshadow palette, lipstick, lip liner, there's a nail shine, and then there's a blush, which I'm gonna get onto in a minute as well. So yeah, I believe the whole box is actually worth £36.50, so it's actually a really, really good discount. Also guys, when you order the box, you can get free delivery on it as well. If you just type in looks when you're ordering it, you can get free delivery. I'm going to leave all the details for this down below in the description box as well for you. So guys, I've quickly applied some mascara off camera, and then in the box you actually get this really lovely blusher as well. It's like a peachy kind of blush that has tiny gold flecks in it. It's in between a pink and a peach, so it's going to complement my skin tone perfectly. So I'm just going to take this on the apples of my cheeks. Guys, look how beautiful that color is. I cannot get over it. The little gold flecks in the blusher just add that extra kind of healthy glow to the skin. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, definitely a new favorite blusher. Doesn't blusher just tie the whole look together? And then finally in the box, you also get this gel shine nail enamel. So guys, this right here is the finished look using the Letterbox Looks by Avon. Oh my god, what a mouthful. I just love how good this is in terms of value for money. Not only are the products really lovely, I just feel like the whole concept is simplified for you, and everything you need that matches with each other is just in one box and perfect for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Letterbox Looks, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button button for more videos. Get me on the gram so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.